How to set Safari as the default browser on your iPhone. Let's get started, everyone. You're going to tap here on the settings option. Go ahead and tap it. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling until you get to the apps option. Tap on apps. Here you'll see the apps you have installed on your iPhone. If you look right at the top, there's the default apps option. You can tap on this option, and when you do, you'll see here every one that the search app is listed here, Safari. So you can manage and change this here. To do that, you can tap here on Safari. In this case, on this iPhone, only Google Chrome is installed, so if I want, I can use Google Chrome as the default browser, or I can download another browser and set it as the default, okay? I want Chrome anyway, so I'm going to tap on it. I tapped it. As you can see, I just changed it. Let me go back to show you. If you look now, here in the browser section, you'll see that Chrome is now set as the default browser. You can also do it this way. You can go back. You can also search here for the browser you want to set as default. In this case, I want Chrome. You can search for whichever one you want. The browser will show up and you just tap it. Once you tap it, as you can see here like I did before, it's already set as the default browser, but if it wasn't, you would just tap here and select the browser you want, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this helped anyone who wanted to know how to change Safari as the default browser on the iPhone. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.